decided to make a series on my journey to building my own online t-shirt printing business. One of the first things I had to learn is how to make digital samples. This is how you will showcase your prints on the t-shirts or other materials. I downloaded a free stock image of a plain t-shirt. But how can we change its color and still keep the creases that make it look natural and real? Now, I will walk you on how to do that in just 3 steps using Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin! First is the duplicate layer. Second, set blending mode to multiply. Third is to add color overlay via blending option. And there you have it. You can choose whichever color applies to your next t-shirt project. Don't forget to like and subscribe!